Hello all, welcome to Investable. Today onwards, I am going to post our live weekly option selling strategy. So that is nothing but iron contour, but we are going to take a little safer manner. So this strategy we are taking each and every week, and we are getting decent return. So if you want to follow this strategy, go to the Telegram link in the description, and you can follow weekly trades. So it is absolutely free. So coming to this weekly iron control strategy, so I'm going to explain how we are creating this strategy first, and then we will see our live performance. So this is Upstar platform that we are using for our option selling strategies. So if you go to builder, so this strategy we are generally executing with Banknifty. So I am selecting Banknifty, and today is Tuesday, so I am going to select the next day expiry. So usually this iron contour we are going to take in a safest manner. So at least we will be selling 1,000 points away, and we are going to hedge with 500 points even further. So I am going to explain now. Um, so currently, Bank Nifty trading around 51,200. So what we are going to do, we are going to sell the 40 rupees premium call option and put option. So there is no standard, but we will be selling the option based on the market condition. So each and every week, the strike price which we selecting uh, is going to be changing. So that is purely on the market world. So currently, today is Tuesday morning. We are getting little far away strike price, which is trading 45 rupees premium. So if you are taking the strategy Wednesday or Thursday, so we have to go little inside, that is closer to the strike. Maybe you can get 1,200 points away for 40 rupees. So I'm not going to explain too much here because this live trading video is going to come daily. So whenever get chance, I'll be explaining in detail. So now first you know about Encantor. So we need to sell first, then we need to hedge. That means buy. Okay, so first I'm going to sell 52,800 for 45 rupees. Then usually we'll do for 20 lots. So I sold 52,800. Next, I'm going to hedge this call option because that's how the encounter strategy works. So usually we go 500 points or 400 points away, and we hedge it. It is purely based on market volatility. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy 53,300 for 18 rupees. So this is also 20 lots. And a similar way we are going to looking for the 40 rupees premium on the put side. So we are getting 45 rupees, around 49,500 strike price. So I'm going to sell 20 lots. So what we are going to do next is we are going to buy put option. So that is 500 point away. So that is 49,000. We are going to buy for 26 rupees. So this is the strategy that we are executing each and every week. So this will keep on changing based on the weeks and market conditions. Suppose VIX is more, so we'll be getting more premium. So when VIX is less, we'll be getting less premium. Okay, so if you see this strategy, profit max profit is 13,800, and max loss is 1 lakh 30,000. So this looks more, but when we start doing adjustment, this will drastically reduce. So problem. And if you see margin required around 7.4 lakh. Okay. So now we'll go to our live strategy. So this is our portfolio. Okay. So this is the current week strategy. So this I took around 20th August. So if you see the chart, so this is the Banknifty daily chart. So this big red green candle is the 20th August. So we took around in the morning. So the when market was around 50,500. After that, currently market is around 51,140. Okay, so we took at 50,500. So we sold 52,200 call, and we hedged with 52,700, and we sold 48,500 put, and we bought 48,000 put. Okay, so this was the four strike prices that we initially executed. Okay, if you see the chart on the particular day, on the same day the market moved around 50,980. Okay, so we made one adjustment on the same day. So that is we moved the hedge closer. Okay, so if you see, we closed 52,700 CE at 23.7 rupees, and we bought 52,600 for 27.6 rupees. Okay, so with this we came down to 100 points, that is 52,700 to 52,600. On the call side, we have reduced around 100 point risk, and then we made another adjustment. So even we moved 52,600 to 52,500. That will reduce the risk on the upper side even more. Okay, so that adjustment we made yesterday, that is Monday. So why? Because I made some analysis on the Banknifty chart. If you see, this is the trend lines which is going on the upper band. So also there is a gap down. Okay, that gap was filled and it was broken out. So we made an adjustment to our strategy. Okay, so currently the strategy is running in profit of 7,000. Okay, so almost we made 1% profit this week. Okay, today what we are going to do is in the morning itself we are going to close this strategy, since we are very near to the max profit, and we are going to take a new strategy. Maybe today evening I will post a new video regarding how we took a new strategy and how we closed this strategy. Okay. Okay. So if you want to follow our live trades, so you can join our Telegram channel. The link is given in the description, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.